Importing data into SPSS. You will start by clicking File on the top left and then highlight Import Data and choose Excel because we are importing an Excel file. Then search for the folder in which your dataset is saved in, or if it's your desktop or your downloads, that's okay too. Click the dataset and click Open. It may take a minute for it to pop up, but once it does, you will see this box called Read Excel File. So at the very top, we need to choose which worksheet from the Excel file should be imported. We do not want the background tab. We want the data tab. Once we click it, down below, we can see the preview of the data, and this looks correct. So once we have that settled, we can click OK. And here on my output, I see that the data has been retrieved, and here is the data set. We have the data view, which we are currently clicked on, or we can go to the variable view, which gives us information about all variables in the data set.